Got beekeeper Trey out there dancing for some reason. And we still have smoke from Canada still coming in, so that's a thing. Boy, are our girls active today. Alright. Let's see what kind of stuff they've been getting into. Alright, we got Trey with us today. Here, let me see your hand. There we go. You're okay. Come here. Come over here. Alright. Let's see. Yep. Our spider's back. See? Yeah. Our resident spider is in here. There he is. Right here. See him now?
Oh, see him.
Every week. Every week he's in there trying to hang out.
Trying to be friends with the bees.
Yep, trying to be friends with the bees. All right, let me know.
But bees hate every insect in their hive.
Yeah, I don't know. They sure probably don't like them hanging out in there. All right, let's see what we got.
Because other insects are friends with other insects.
Yep. We got another little guy, little spider in here.
Oh, what a baby one.
Yep, so we'll go ahead and get him out of the way.
Yeah.
All right.
The bees live in here without spiders.
Yep.
Hold on, let me get the hay out maybe.
Yep, you could come over behind me over here.
Okay.
Since the smoke's going that way.
Yeah, that's good.
All right, here we go. Let's get a look at these guys.
Let's see, we're going to find the queen again.
Yeah, let's see what these girls are up to here. How things are progressing when we get down there, all right? So, looking at this one, we're getting some comb drawn out there. That's good.
That's
And
that's kind of good.
we're getting some nectar stores right there, so that's really good. I like that.
Yeah, when you see a bee with a green dot on the back, that means that's the queen bee.
Yep, if we find a bee with the green dot on her back, that's the queen bee. You're right.
Yeah, I'm always right sometimes.
All right, we got a lot more nectar stores right there. That frame is being drawn out.
These bees are doing kind of good.
Yeah, they're doing pretty good. This is where I took some of that weird comb away last week, and it looks like they're recovering very nicely from it.
And oil, I put my gloves on, and oil in the last video, we finally found the queen bee oil.
Yeah.
That was good. When we were about to get the bees, we just coming back with him in the first night.
All right, we got brood coming on up here. That's what I like to see.
Yeah, and
Very nice.
in the first night, we finally found a queen bee.
I am gonna kind of break this away right here because that's not doing anything for us.
Yeah.
There we go. So good centralized brood pattern there, and on that side as well. That's awesome. So that means that the queen is definitely popping her way up into this top box.
Dang, that's a big bee on the comb right there.
Mm-hmm. And let's see what's going on in here. We got some larvae, very small larvae. We got some eggs going. Very nice.
Eggs? When you see eggs, that means there's some baby bees.
Yep, when there's eggs, that means that there's going to be some baby bees. You're right about that, Trey. Very right about it.
Oh,
And
yeah.
let's get a good look in here. We have eggs, larvae. Very nice.
And eggs. Yeah, eggs.
Really like seeing that. That's looking really good.
That's so good. I think oil, guys. The bees just give us honey.
Yep. All right, that's getting drawn out. We got eggs and larvae in there as well.
That's good.
See if we can.
Another one correct.
Curious if our queen's in this top box today or she's back down in the bottom. And that frame's not really getting drawn out too much.
Not that bad. That's not like the wood.
And then that frame's pretty empty. All right, girls, get off of this.
Get off here.
Get off of that. We don't want that. That's going in our bucket. So let's see what's going on over here. So we got, all right, so nothing, and nothing. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move these all the way to the middle. I'm gonna do it very gingerly just because I haven't seen if the queen's up here or not.
Yeah.
But we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames that look like they're getting drawn out.
Yeah, and these people are doing good.
Yeah, they're doing really good up here.
Yeah, this so doing very, very good. I would feel. Ready to smoke?
All right.
Light this up.
All right. So we're gonna go ahead and take that piece of comb off right there. Move this back over here a little bit.
They're gonna look like a tomato until the smoke goes.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
All right, girl,
Guys,
get off of that.
You don't want to get a tomato on you,
Gross.
on your house.
No, you don't.
Yeah, because I really want to have it tonight. Guys, oil.
All right, watch out, girls. Let me break this apart.
The bees kicked out a dead bee. Okay.
Yep,
Yeah.
they do. They throw their dead bees out into the to the ground away from the hive. All right, so it's looking like we have some eggs and some new larvae in there, which is good.
That's good. That's cute. That's good.
Hey, Trey, come look at this.
Wow.
So you see the white right there?
Mhm.
That's capped honey.
Yep. That means in honey. That means the bees are gonna make the honey soon.
Yeah.
I'm correct. Right?
Uh-huh.
Oh. We drop some code.
Yep.
You drop them. Hey, Daddy, I'm going to say hi to Mommy real quick.
Okay, you could do that.
Daddy, I just waved to Mommy.
Yep. All right, Trey, this is a good frame.
This is going to be the good way.
Yep, I'm gonna show you a good frame. You ready?
Yep, I really hope the queen bees wouldn't be my tail.
Me too, but we'll see.
Let's see the good part. Guys, all the other parts are bad parts. And the last part is the good part, right?
Nah, they're not all bad parts. I like them. They're all good parts.
Oh.
Here we go.
Every part is good part.
Oh yeah, look at this.
Dang, there's a lot of bees in there.
Uh-huh.
I really hope we can. Dude, what's the queen bee out?
That is awesome.
Where's the queen bee though?
Don't know. I'm looking for her.
We're looking for the queen bee.
Yep, I mean, I'm seeing eggs, so I'm not really worried about it. I know she's in here because I'm seeing eggs, and that's the big thing.
Queen bee, where are you hiding? I want to show you picture all of them. I want to show everybody you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we always want to see the queen bee.
Yeah, I think my favorite bee should be the queen bee. Because I like him a lot because he has a green dot. It's my favorite color.
All right, let's see how this one's looking. All right, I'm seeing some nectar stores. I'm seeing eggs, so that's good.
That's good, that is.
Yep, that is good.
Because eggs are, the bees love it. The bees' eggs are easily special, okay?
Yep, they are special. You are right about that.
This is a bee tornado, right?
Yeah, it is kind of like a little bee tornado. You're right.
Yeah. Because it can like be a regular tornado, a fire tornado, a water tornado, like yeah.
Or a bee-nado.
And there's no bee tornado.
All right.
Or like a an invisible tornado.
Yeah, invisible tornadoes are scary too.
Except with a regular tornado.
Yeah, we're still
Tornadoes
looking
are-
good.
The regular tornadoes like a lot scarier because it will like suck people up.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. It's like a bee tornado.
These girls are crawling on my gloves, so it's hard for me to turn this thing around so I can get a good look at what we're dealing with.
They're going into my mask too. My mask.
Yeah?
Yeah, they are.
You alright? Okay, that one's looking good too.
Kind of doing good. Too bad the bees are. Too bad we cannot find even the queen bee yet.
That's alright. I'm seeing, as long as we can see eggs and new bees are happening, that's what matters. We don't need to get a perfect eye on the queen every single time.
Oh man, wherever you are, queen bee. Queen bee.
Oh, that's a heavy frame. See, look at all this, Trey. All that white, that's honey.
That's honey.
Yep, that's all honey.
All honey. And where does the honey come from the bees?
Yep, it comes from the bees.
And where does the bees drop the honey? Daddy, where?
Where do they get the honey?
Yeah, we're.
What they do, Trey, to get the honey, is they put the nectar in the cells. Right? Okay. And they put the nectar in the cells, and whenever they do that, they flap their wings a lot to make the. They flap their wings a lot to make sure that the honey, or that the nectar can dry out some. There we go. And whenever the nectar is dried out the right amount, then it turns into honey, and they cap over it. Oh, look, we got another one back.
Wait, where is it?
Little spider.
What a spider?
Yep, right there.
Oh, there's a big one.
All right, I'm gonna need this guy.